Hi everyone, welcome to Jaais Knowledge. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Press bell icon for future notifications. In this video, we are going to see one of the GFCF diet recipe, idli. Idli is a soft, pillowy, steamed savory cake made from rice and lentil batter. The lentils used in making idli are urad dal. It is a naturally vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free and casein-free mix for one of the healthiest breakfasts. Ingredients for making idli. Idli rice 3 cups, urad dal 1 cup, fenugreek seeds or methi seeds 1 teaspoon, edible salt 1 tablespoon. For soaking, 4 cups of water for soaking idli rice, 2 cups of water for soaking urad dal. For grinding, 1 cup of water for grinding urad dal or add as required, 2 cups of water for grinding idli rice or add as required. For steaming, 3 cups of water for steaming idli. Now we'll see the process of making idli step by step. Step 1. In a bowl or pan, take 3 cups of idli rice. Then rinse the rice for a couple of times, drain and keep aside. Add 4 cups of water into the rice and cover and soak for 4 to 5 hours. Then in a separate bowl, take 1 cup of urad dal along with 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Rinse couple of times. Add 2 cups of water to the urad dal, cover and soak for 4 to 5 hours. Before grinding, drain the water from the urad dal, but don't throw away the water. Reserve the soaked water. In a wet grinder jar, add the urad dal. Initially, add half cup of the reserved water. Then grind the urad dal for some seconds. Then add half cup of water and continue to grind. The batter should be light and fluffy when completely ground. After grinding completely, pour the urad dal batter in a deep pan or bowl. Then drain the rice, add them in the wet grinder jar. Depending on the capacity of your mixer grinder, you can grind in 2 or 3 parts. Now pour the rice batter in the bowl contains urad dal batter. Then add 1 teaspoon edible salt, mix very well with a spoon. Cover the bowl or container with a lid and keep the batter in a warm place. It should be left undisturbed for 8 to 9 hours. The batter the next morning, it will ferment and increase the volume. Grease the idli mold with oil. Gently and lightly swirl the batter. Don't overdo. Pour portion of the batter in the greased idli molds. Take your idli steamer. Add some 2 to 3 cups water and heat the water. Steam for 12 to 15 minutes. Check for readiness by inserting a toothpick. If it doesn't come out clean, then keep again for a few more minutes. Finally, dip a spoon or butter knife in water and remove the idlis from the vessel. Now the soft idlis are ready. Thank you.